These aesthetic toast bread videos are blowing up online. And guess what? People are making them in just minutes with AI. Want to create one yourself? I'll show you how in just 2 quick steps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Creating the perfect image. Open Edimakor and head straight to the AI image section. Here, we'll be using the text-to-image feature. All you need to do is enter a detailed prompt. For example, aesthetic close-up of golden toasted bread stacked neatly on a white plate, topped with colorful gummy bears. Now, set your resolution, choose an aspect ratio that fits your video format, and pick how many images you want. Click Generate, and in seconds, Edimakor gives stunning images. Just look at this. The toasted bread texture and gummy bears are so detailed and realistic. Step 2. Turning images into a toast bread video. Now that we have our image, let's turn it into a smooth, relaxing video. Right-click on the image and choose Image to Video. Next, select your aspect ratio, and then write a video prompt that describes the scene and movement. Don't worry, I've already written one for you. You'll find it in the description below. Once the prompt is in, just choose your video duration and resolution, then hit Generate. After that, just search on Google for some suitable sound effects, download the one that fits best, and add it to your video. Once the sound is in, you'll see the magic. Everything feels smoother, more polished, and incredibly satisfying to watch. Go ahead and try it for yourself. The link to Edimakor is in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials just like this one.